Today I am going to test a telegraph today. So here are the Morse codes. So let me try it. I will try to say hi in Morse code. Morse code is a sound of dots. So a dot is only a sound and a dash is a longer sound, a longer time of sound. So let's say hi in Morse codes. Yes, H is written and I need to write I. Yeah, I have said I, hi in Morse code. So I am about to write now another alphabet or word. So I will write now. I will write now hello. So I am writing firstly H, 4 dots, and E, and L now, a dash, and L, again L, and O. Now O is 3 dashes. Yeah, I have written hello in Morse code, so thanks for watching.